Hi everybody, this is Ashley. I'm recording another video. This song I am recording for my mom. It's called Songbird, originally by Fleetwood Mac, but the version I'm doing is the Glee version. I hope you like it. For you, there'll be no more crying. For you, the sun will be shining, and I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. To you, I'll give the world. To you, I'll never be cold, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds are singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Oh, oh, and I wish you all the love in the world. But most of all, I wish it from myself. And the songbirds are singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Like never before. Like never before.